What's the meaning of context? Context. Context.
Context. Context. Context refers to the circumstances or conditions that surround a particular event, situation, person, or idea. It can include factors such as time, place, culture, and social norms, as well as the behavior and actions of those involved. Understanding the context of something is crucial to interpreting its meaning and significance. Without context, it can be difficult to fully grasp the implications and complexities of a given situation or statement. By considering the context, we are better able to make informed decisions, communicate effectively, and navigate the world around us.